Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will delve into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.91. Let's take a closer look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time. The fund has experienced natural fluctuations, showing a gain of 2.34%. This results in an average return of 0.33% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund lies at the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a compelling selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line at $565.45 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of negative 12.18% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 26.29% to negative 11.88%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 7.33%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 4.85% to positive 18.40% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $536.16 and $667.19. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Monday trading session. The SPY ETF price decreased by approximately 0.573% on the last day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, dropping from $566.76 to $563.51. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.89%, ranging from a low of $561.70 to a high of $566.69. The price has increased on 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.62% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume declined alongside the ETF, which typically indicates a healthy market behavior, as volume should align with ETF movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 18 million shares, totaling 36 million shares exchanged for approximately $20.45 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $613.23, while the lowest price was $481.80. Currently, the price stands 8.11% or $49.72 below the 52-week high of $613.23, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 index experienced a decline of 0.6% on the 5th of May, 2025, marking the end of a notable 9-day winning streak. This pullback comes ahead of a crucial interest rate decision from the Federal Open Market Committee later this week. Investor sentiment may be shifting as market dynamics suggest a need for consolidation following significant gains. Recent economic data presents a mixed picture. While the labor market remains robust, with job additions exceeding expectations, underlying economic indicators reveal strains, such as a contraction in gross domestic product and declining confidence. Such contrasting signals might lead to cautious trading as investors prepare for the Federal Reserve's decisions, which could dictate future interest rates and market stability. Despite the current dip, An ISM Services Purchasing Managers index that surpassed analyst projections indicates resilient performance in the services sector, potentially supporting the index in the short term. However, broader economic challenges could weigh on investor confidence, affecting the trajectory of the SPY in the long term. Overall, market participants are closely monitoring these developments, as they could set the tone for trading in the coming weeks, with the potential for volatility as the market digests recent gains and adjusts to the evolving economic landscape. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around $557.01 and $547.18. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been indicated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and so far it has declined by 0.573%. Additional decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $548.62, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund has average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated $4.98 between its high and low, translating to 0.89%. For the past week, it has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.35%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $563.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $548.62. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $541.43, reflecting a decrease of 3.92%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, which means either holding on to shares or gradually accumulating more while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we anticipate SPY to open higher by approximately 455 cents, starting at $563.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.